Hello.
Hello.
Leslie Powell says she has suffered from a crippling condition for as long as she can remember.
My mom told me the first one I had, I was 3 years old. She took me to the emergency room.
She describes it as eye-stabbing pain.
At my worst point, I was probably having 20 headaches a month.
As a child, Powell knew her condition wasn't just a headache. She has endured migraines for much of her life.
I went through a tedious yearly, just process of medications.
Nothing worked for Powell until 3 years ago.
2010, I had my first set of BOTOX injections.
As you might imagine, Powell was uncertain about BOTOX injections, but she says she was at the point where she was willing to try anything.
They inject in the forehead, through the temples, and they inject through the head, a little in the back of the neck.
Powell felt relief. After receiving 21 injections every 3 months for the past 3 years, she has gone from 20 headache days a month to only 3 or 6. She says she's noticed the pain of the migraines lessen with each session.
You can ask my kids, it's totally different than it used to be.
How did doctors figure out BOTOX alleviates migraines?
When injected with BOTOX for their muscle spasm, it was discovered that their migraines would improve.
Dr. Wendell Helveston, a neurologist at Hattiesburg Clinic, sees patients just like Powell who are interested in injections. Helveston says he takes several proper steps to make sure a patient is a good candidate for injections.
1/10 of 1 cc in each injection site. So the total volume of material injected is very small.
Dr. Helveston added chronic migraines are the result of a genetic disease and there is no cure. He can't promise you headache-free days, but he and Powell encourages migraine sufferers to give it a shot.
What I tell the patients is, yes, it hurts. Yes, there are a lot of injections, but the benefit is far greater than the pain that they experience up front.
It's changed my life.